persons from the Blood Connect, if they could hear me, please. Team for Blood.
Yes, sir. Shahid sir is here.
Fine, very fine, sir. Hello, sir. A very good morning to all of you. Maybe start. Have they joined so far or not?
Yeah, we are good to go.
Sure. As far as my team is there, we are accompanied by our convener, right? We also have a Saurabh Singh. We are also joined by our team members named Hema Chaudhary, Shivi, and Aman, right? Other participants too, which includes Manish, Aditi, right? So Aditi will be actually coordinating this event along with senior members as well, Hema, Shivi, and Aman. So these will be the coordinators for this event, this blood donation camp. I am in receipt of your letter, right? Your letter which proposes, organize this blood donation camp. And I'm pleased to inform you that my dean has given the approval. So could you please brief me a little strategy, like how this will, what will be the steps that will be involved in it? How will you organize it? Could you please give me more insights, right?
Okay, all right. So on the day of the camp, basically what happens is if you are having other events as well, so this event blood donation camp will go will go parallel to the other events because it's going to stretch for 5 hours from 11 to 4. Because earlier we were going to keep it from 12 or 2 depending upon the exam schedule, but now since we have time we'll begin it at 11 and we'll conclude it at around 4. All right, so we'll reach there around 10:30. We'll set up we'll need some chair and tables to set up things, and that table and chairs are needed for basically for hospital staff that is coming, and for we need table and chair to write certificates for donors and to arrange our goodies that we are going to give to the donors. So we'll reach there by 10:30 and then we'll arrange it around before 11, and the hospital will be there before 11. Then when they are there we can start with the camp. It will go whatever, there's a first preliminary check, then there's a donation, then there's refreshment, then we give them certificate, then there's photo session if they want. So it will go till 4 and then the camp will conclude around 4.
At the same time.
That's the basic process. And if you want an awareness session, I'll be sharing the link of an online awareness session which we are going to have today. So if anyone can join, they can do that. And if it's necessary, if you need an offline awareness session, we'll think about and we'll discuss the date and we'll do whatever is needed for that awareness session.
Okay. So Shahid, only you will be looking into this campaign from Blood Connect, right? You are the authorized person, if I'm not wrong.
Yes. I'll be managing it, and our volunteers will be there.
Okay. So as
I am not the only person.
This camp is being scheduled on 8, right? 8th of March. So I request to organize an awareness drive, right? Exactly. You include this point. Okay, sorry about this disturbance. So we want an awareness campaign from your side on 7th, right? A day before. Your team must visit here in person. They must prepare some banners with while you are preparing any banner, we want name of both Legal Aid Center and Blood Connect at the same.
Yeah. So in banners we are putting logo of Lucknow University and your logo, logo of Legal Aid Committee.
Exactly. Please send us the draft. Before getting it printed, please share the soft copy with us.
Yeah. So, we'll share it by today, I guess.
Exactly. So as far as banners and standees are concerned, so how many banners will be there?
So there is one IDB banner which is after donation people share their thoughts about donation and put their signature there. Then there's there will be 2 other banners. There will be that will be there, and that will be basically about the details of the camp, that we are having this camp with LU and in association with Legal Aid Committee of LU, and it's scheduled on this date, etc., etc.
Okay.
Shahid, I guess poster form.
Sorry, ma'am.
I think that will be in poster form. The banner you were talking about.
No, I have discussed it. We are going to get it in a banner form.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So there are banners. So you will be bringing these banners a day before. You will be conducting an awareness program for organization of blood camp in our campus. Our campus here is situated in Jankipuram. There are three faculties here, namely law, engineering, and management. Right. So you will be coordinating with all these three departments. I will share you my volunteers with you. So I want your volunteers from Blood Connect and volunteers from University of Lucknow. Right. So both of them will be running this campaign a day before to create an awareness for this blood donation camp. Now you have given me very clear information that there will be banners, right? One board where we will be putting our signature and thoughts about the blood donation camp, and two banners which will contain name and logo of the University of Lucknow and Blood Connect. I asked Aditi to please take down all these notings so that we can release the minutes thereafter. Apart from it, I also had one more questions. What about the certificate? What about this organization of camp? Will this be inside some like there were some alternatives that you were suggesting? May I know a bit more about that?
So alternative as in, so basically what we give in
A
all
blood donation
the
van was coming or something like that. Whether you will be organizing this in open or in a van or like what will be the
yeah,
mode?
so we proposed it to be organized in open because earlier we thought that there is exam in the university, so it might not be possible to have the session in open. But since 8th March is like you all are having other events as well, so we thought to organize it in open because the camp in open is quite it's beautiful, we can say, and it's spacious, and things in van are very congested and it's not proper, so we do in van when there's no space. So we propose it to be held in open, but we got a reply that we want to conduct in a van.
Okay, so will you also bring the van at the same time or not? Like van will be coming or
No,
not?
no, sir. Uh, either there'll be a setup at the camp, and either or there'll be a van. Like
Okay, my
they'll be coming with a van with all the beds and stuff that they need, and they'll set up their camp over there. I have shared some pictures with Aditi as well to like
yeah,
show her how this camp is set up, physical camp is set up.
So
so
let
my
me
team.
clarify it. So like if they bring the blood donation van, so they won't be bringing the camp setup with them. All the setup is inside the van then. And if they bring up the camp setup, then there won't be any blood donation van.
Okay. Madam, I need 2 minutes to discuss with my team, right? Please, I'm
Right.
muting my mic, right? I need 2 minutes and my team is there, right? Please show them, right? I need 2 minutes to discuss with my team, then I will continue, right? Please mute the mic.
Sure, sure.
Madam, 2 more minutes. I request you to please bear 2 more minutes, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
So, madam, we came to a conclusion. We reached to a conclusion that we want this van, right? Open camp won't suffice. We require this van, right? And this van must be from KGME or PGI or any only government institutions only. Please share the details of this
Problem.
institution into the picture, right? Because this is very important. We need to put forward all these letters before Dean of Student Welfare, who will approve it, right? Only thereafter we will be able to arrange this.
For that, we'll need clarification from the blood bank as well. If they are having van on 8th, then only they'll be able to bring. Otherwise, they'll set up the camp. So,
Okay, ma'am,
we'll need
So,
approval
but-
from the blood bank.
Okay, madam. Our priority will be van, right?
Right,
If
right.
not, then please communicate. Then my team will again decide that whether we should go ahead with camp or not, right? So
Sure,
that
sure.
the camp. And apart from it, madam, please name the blood bank which will be coming here. Either it will be KGME or which blood bank will be that, right?
Yes. So, we'll send you the proposal, the final proposal, with all the arrangements that we need from your side, and in that we'll mention which blood bank will be coming after. We'll talk to the blood bank, then then we'll approve.
Madam, we are very sure about this organization of this event, this 8th March, right? So dates are final from our side. Now, what we request you that please let us know the name of the blood bank because we need to put forth the name of the blood bank. Yeah, and please also confirm about the availability of the van. Right. So may I know at what time can I expect these response from your side by today or you need some more time?
Shahid, I think that will be done by tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll be able to do it by tomorrow.
We'll be able to do it by tomorrow. Okay, and certificate will be issued under the signature of KG, government institution only, right?
So yeah, after donation certificates, these blood banks provide the certificates to all the donors. Apart from that, for the organization of this blood donation camp, we'll provide you the certificate.
That certificate will be under the blood donation certificate will be under the signature of the government blood bank, right? And
Yes,
this
yes.
organization will be under the signature of Blood Connect. Am I getting you right?
The organization certificate will be under the Blood Connect.
Okay, and this blood donation card will be given by the concerned blood bank, right? Under their signature.
Yes.
Okay, madam. What about the freebies? Because you also provide some freebies to the donors. Please throw some light on it.
Yeah, so we provide key rings, etc. So we have asked for that from our central team, and we'll be taking it there as well.
मैडम कोई बच्चा दो मांगे तो नाराज मत होना आप, लखनऊ विश्वविद्यालय है.
No sir, that's not a problem.
Exactly. अब वो थोड़ा डाइट वाला क्लियर करा दीजिए, आप क्या क्या दिलवाएंगे मैडम, प्लीज थ्रो सम लाइट ऑन दैट.
So diet may from the side of blood bank there will be a fruity or any mango drink और उसके साथ biscuits होंगे.
I could not hear you. Please आप थोड़ा सा दोबारा बोल दीजिए एक बार.
There will be fruity or any mango drink or orange drink from the side of blood bank along with the biscuits.
So fruity and apart from your side, okay, जो भी आप बता रही हैं, चलिए मैम डाइट वाला थोड़ा दिखा लीजिएगा, right? Apart from it, ma'am, there is something related to t-shirts that I have been asked. Is there any possibility for some t-shirts or something like that for our volunteers for that particular day?
That we won't be able to do.
Okay. Saurabh sir, please, if you wish to add something.
अगर आप सर कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं.
There is okay, madam. So I am concluding it like that. So this event will be on 8, right? So we have these major events like this season. The event will be on 8. There will be an awareness. The event will be conducted on 8th of March, right? And
The timings of the event?
timings will commence from 11 to 4, right? Your bus will reach here by 9:30.
10:30.
10:30.
10:30 to 11. We'll reach there by 10:30, and hospital will be there before 11.
Okay. So the camp shall commence sharp at 11:30 or 11, right? Between 11 and
Yeah,
11.
between 11 and 11:30.
Exactly. We need to provide you some table and chairs. Apart from it, There will be freebies that you will be providing to all the donors and basic nutrition diet to them, right? Apart from it, ma'am, you will be preparing banners. Your team will be visiting here on 7th for creating an awareness
So
campaign. with banners.
there's some change, sorry. Like 7th is Sunday, and we organize the awareness session at least 48 hours before the camp. So we can, if we can schedule it on 5th or 6th,
Okay.
because 7 is Sunday.
Let me take opinion of my team. I require 1 more minute, please.
Sir, you were not audible.
So what we have come to a conclusion that we will conducting this awareness campaign on 7th. Sorry, 6th. 6th, that is Saturday, right? Apart from it, certificates will be given by the concerned blood bank under their signature, and a certificate of organization will be given by Blood Connect to the University of Lucknow, Legal Aid Center, University of Lucknow. And ma'am, yeah, that's all from that what we have discussed. Is there anything else we need to put in? What will be the timings of this awareness session?
Sir, we'll discuss it and let you know in a day or two. We'll let you know in a day or two.
Wait, are we organizing awareness session on 7th?
No, on
6th,
6th.
ma'am, 6th.
All right.
7th is a Sunday.
So apart from it, ma'am, Aditi, I request Aditi to please put in her suggestions or her points, if any, right? That has not been covered by me. Then Saurabh sir will look into it.
Okay. So basically, by tomorrow we'll confirm the hospital and we'll send you a proposal. You'll have to reply to that mail that you confirm the camp. Just that sentence that you confirm the camp. Because we'll take the hospital on that mail thread and then we'll conclude the further process with the hospital. Once we have checked the availability of the hospital and the availability of blood van.
Sure. So that's perfect. There's no problem in it. So what I came to conclude.
Can we discuss about what do you expect from us in awareness camp? Because what we do is we share some PPT. So are we going to get some place where we can show PPT and talk about stuffs related to blood donation and talk about myths related to blood donation?
So देखिए हमारे यहाँ पे I told you there are 3 faculties are here. You wish to add in something? So there are 3 faculties named here: IMS, Engineering, and Law, right? So you definitely can approach these faculties. You may come with some slogan. You may come with it's up to you. Whether you wish to come with digital awareness means or posters or like that. That's up to you. So that's your choice. How do you come into picture?
So
1 minute hold ले लीजिए. ठीक है. हाँ. तो बस इतना. Okay, so now we have Saurabh sir from our team, right? So he's one of our senior members here at Clinic. So he wishes to include some of his points. Saurabh, please.
Not open.
You use mic.
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my name is Saurabh, and this idea just came up in my mind while your meeting was going on. We are having a different program on 28th of February. We are having a different program on 28th of February, which is the Pride March. The Awadh Pride Association is doing a march right now on 28th of February in front of Luhia Park. So this idea just came up. Why not have a different drive, not this one, a different drive on 28th of March at the site of the Pride March. So the entire LGBTQIA plus community will be there. And we can do it in collaboration with Blood Connect, Legal Aid Cell, and the Awadh Pride Association. So these 3 different organizations will work together. They will have their event, and we will be organizing a blood donation drive at the event's venue. And we will have a very impactful message for the society, and we can give it a slogan as different sexuality, same blood. So we'll be raising awareness about sexuality, inclusive sexuality. At the same time, we'll be getting blood donations from this from the group, and we're expecting a crowd of at least 800 to 900 people at that venue. So we can expect a lot of donations going on at that time. It's for a good cause. So if Blood Connect can relate to the event and can give a green signal, we can get in touch with the Awadh Pride Association and get this thing executed.
Sir, for that, like I'll have to ask the blood bank first, and after that only I'll be able to confirm.
Sure, ma'am. I just wanted to pitch in this idea, and you guys can take it forward with Puneet from there.
Yeah,
Sir, may I get a clarity on this? Is there a rule against donating blood by a homosexual man?
Yeah, that's why I want to clarify it from blood bank first. Then only I'll provide the confirmation. There is one such rule, like I learned it some 2-3 years back.
We have questions from our team, please. So, any question from my team, Aditi or anyone, please? If they wish to have any questions.
How many people can donate at one time?
So we have one. So please, how many people can
How
donate?
many
at once?
donations can
How many
happen
donations?
simultaneously?
Yeah, please let us know this question. Right. So this is our team.
Can you please repeat the question? I'm not able to hear.
Now, my question was, how many donations can happen at one time simultaneously?
Okay, so simultaneously, like 2 or 3 donations can take place. It depends on how many beds like the hospital will come with.
Is there any specific COVID protocol going on in respect to blood donation right now?
Yes. So they are following all the COVID measures. Like they'll be using the sanitizers and they'll be wearing the mask, and they're like
there will be temperature check.
so they are following the protocol.
No, by protocol I meant, are they checking COVID reports or something like that? Because they are donating bloods.
No.
Anyone can be positive right now.
So like
No.
this is not the they're not doing that.
They are not doing that. Okay,
It's not even happening in hospitals because like the COVID test is only happening for platelet donation. Nothing is happening for blood donation.
All right.
And sir, what kind of test will be?
Sorry?
This is a CMO, right? Chief Medical Officer of Lucknow District to like before donation of blood, there may be RT-PCR test here at the campus. Is that possible at your level?
It won't be possible. They have made like a special. Yes.
Ma'am, can you put in some efforts? Can you pitch in? Like, would you please talk to him?
Like I asked the blood bank for a blood donation camp, like before a blood donation camp. So they gave me this reply that it won't be possible for them because like there is special cells only where this RT-PCR or COVID test happens, and it won't be possible for them to carry the kit, or they are not assigned any kit for that to like take it in a blood donation camp. So they strictly said no. Like I talked in PGI.
So can we have some more ideas or anyone else like present here? They wish to include anything in this meeting. Anyone? Aditi, Anadi is there. Anadi, you wish to ask something?
How many units of blood can a person donate?
Only one. Like once you have donated, you can only like normally the time for men is 3 months and time for female is 4 months.
No, how many at one setting? How many units can you donate? Can you donate more than 1 unit of blood? More than 3?
Only one.
Each person will donate only 1 unit. Also, like I have a question at this point: how many units are we expecting in this blood donation camp?
My team is asking that if there is any possibility for T-shirts, like because he's saying that if you can donate these T-shirts or at least volunteer at the time of camp, if you can please provide us some T-shirts like 8 to 10 or at least something like that. any number miss, any number member.
So that won't be able to possible, like won't be able to, like we won't be able to pitch into our central team and get it confirmed. That's why we don't want to give hopes, or like that's not even possible.
So please talk to them regarding this and come back to us, right? If possible, it will be great. Posters, and if possible, we can get some more awareness material. Like apart from it, what we have discussed, banners. If we can have some posters or any awareness material that could be given, right? That could be shared.
That we would share.
I mean, hard format. If as far as freebies are concerned, so if they could be given, so it will be really great.
So I'll have to talk about it to Shahid, and then I'll confirm you.
Madam, please talk to them. Please talk to them and please let us confirm. It was really a great meeting. Anything else you wish to discuss with us?
Yes. So I was asking how many units are we expecting from this blood donation camp, because we'll have to confirm it to the blood bank.
How
Minimum number of units.
Madam, how much you are expecting?
We are expecting, it's a university, so we are expecting at least 50.
Ma'am, I will give you this, ma'am, 50 at least. 50, I will give it. More than
Okay.
50. But I can't assure you, but I will try my level best. We are organizing an awareness campaign a day before, so we will ensure that yes, this number may reach 50.
Also, for the awareness campaign, we would require the volunteers from your side too, because we would need help.
Perfect.
Okay, is that
We'll do that. Please confirm, confirm the dates, confirm whether when will be available or not, whether it will be an open camp or when will be coming. Please confirm all these things, right? T-shirts and all these things. Please discuss with your central management and please get back to us. Now, also, please, if you could release them, if you could include all these points that we have discussed so far in your letter, right? And we'll also include these. We will prepare the minutes and we'll send them back to you. But and madam, one more thing, as far as these banners and awareness material concerned, before getting them printed, please share us the draft, right? Because just on Women Day, so we can also include.
Yes, that will show it to you.
Yes, then at least we must have some same, at least.
Yeah. We'll show it to you.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Sir, excuse me, sir. When you come to our university, as ma'am clarified that there's a rule against homosexual men not to donate blood. So would people in the questionnaire would be asked such things as sexual history or their
No.
medical past?
No, that's not depends on us. Basically, that is what medical professionals do, what hospital staff do, and we have donated. We have been involved in so many camps, and I have also donated so many times. No one has asked me this question ever. They don't ask this.
Okay, sir.
Because of, I think, madam, will you go for this HIV test or maybe because of this concern? It may be because of HIV, right? Because
so after the hospital takes your blood, they go for this blood testing, and all these things are checked. And if anything comes out, they directly contact that person. They give all the medical history to that person.
That's really great, ma'am. Thank you for clearing our concerns, ma'am. Right.
Also, can you please share the meeting minutes with us?
Definitely, madam. I will ask my team to prepare the minutes. I will sign them and will share a copy with you, right?
Sure. Thank you so much.
Okay, madam. May I know the name from your team, who has participated from your team? It was it was Mohammed Shahid, right? And ma'am, your good name is Prapti Sachan, right?
Prapti Sachan and Sushant Verma.
Sushant, okay. Thank you so much, right? Thank you so much for this meeting. It was really great. We'll look forward to a great one.
Thank you so much.